Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we are going to determine the Lewis structure for selenium tetrafluoride. It is a chemical name for this formula SeF4. So to find out its Lewis structure, we are first going to find out the total number of valence electrons. Here selenium atom has 6 valence electrons in its outer shell and each fluorine atom has 7 valence electrons. We are going to multiply this number by 4 as we have 4 fluorine atoms. As a result, we have 34 valence electrons for this molecule. I am going to place selenium atom in the center and all the fluorine atoms will go around selenium atom like this. So to now show a bond, I am going to place a pair of electrons between selenium and fluorine atoms. Doing that, I will be using up 8 valence electrons out of 34 and now I am left with 26 valence electrons. I am going to place 6 valence electrons around each fluorine atom so that it can have complete octet. Right now it only has 2 valence electrons in its outer shell. After placing 6 valence electron around each fluorine atom, we will have complete octets for all these fluorine atoms. Doing that, we will be left with 2 valence electrons which we can place on selenium atom as it can have expanded octet. So it can hold more than 8 valence electrons in its outer shell, and hence I am going to place the remaining 2 valence electrons on selenium atom. So now selenium atom has 10 valence electrons in its outer shell and each fluorine atom has 8 valence electrons in its outer shell. This is the Lewis structure of SeF4. You can also check the formal charges using our formula. But as selenium can have an expanded octet, this is the accepted and relevant Lewis structure for SeF4. For more such videos on Lewis structure, molecular geometry, polarity of the molecules, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.